This is a map of Rifle Falls State Park. The loop trail starts at the parking lot. At the bridge you have one of the best views of the waterfalls. Along the trail there are multiple caves that you can explore. Bring a flashlight. The back of the loop trail is pretty uneventful, but around this area you will be rewarded with some great views of the waterfalls. On the way back down there are a few more caves to explore. And this completes the 1.5 mile loop trail. Very small cave. Let's go find a 90-foot cave. Actually, the small caves are more interesting than this one.